Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, October 1st, 2010 am. Who will believe that I have come towards you on this celebration day? That will remain our secret. Your sincere and disinterested love always touched me. I am happy to have been a guide for you until the moment of your encounter with the Beloved. We are here in His light and the radiance of His great kindness. Your heart could not do anything better than offering itself to His heart. My dear sister, God in His great mercy has made it possible for us to be united. Your path is special. You have not taken holy orders, but it is life that has given orders to you, your little sister. The medium says, O Babuji, thank you for allowing this contact, that is Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. You are sisters in soul. It is good for you to love and follow faithfully this great saint. She deeply influenced your life and this form of relationship you have developed for so long has brought you towards me quite naturally and in the same spirit. I bless you both, Babuji. I am happy to express myself like this, which I have never been able to do until now. It is a grace for the two of us. May these moments remain vivid in your heart. We will meet again one day and you will then be able to let it overflow with joy. Little Sister. Monday, October 2nd, 2010 am. While writing, you do not miss anything of your meditation. The transmission continues. Rest reassured on this point. The comments made on these messages will be an additional advantage. We inspire the author for that. They will conclude the epilogue and the whole of the messages. You should envisage translating this text so that my son can take note of it when the time comes. He would take it as an introduction to all this work. Think of it and polish it up. Both the comments on the necessity of not suppressing anything and the interpretation of the titles of the collections. They also have their raison d'etre. The choice is justified, yet that remain to be understood. As we move on, you can note, as far as you are concerned, that regular reading widens your comprehension. What seemed to you insignificant and superfluous in the beginning can be understood differently today. It is the objective which we wish to achieve, to bring you to interiorizing yourself sufficiently so that in its simplicity this truth which emanates from the whole unfolds to you and reaches your heart. Such was our goal, Babuji.